everyone, and welcome to my channel. I'm going to be showing you how to cook on a two-pilot stove. Yes, a two-pilot stove. Today I'm making rice with collard greens and some fried chicken wings, a nice quick meal. So what I use is this right here. Next we're going to get the rice. Yes, rice. Cooking with Quincy, right? Yeah. So now we're going to be washing the rice just to get all the dirt and particles off of the rice. And make sure it's not too much starch because I hate soggy rice. Yes, we're going to wash the rice. Yeah, we're washing the rice. Yeah. You want to wash the rice until it's completely clear, until you could see like through it. When you can see the rice through the water, that's how you know that it's clean. Perfect. Okay, so I'm going to be making some yellow rice from scratch. So we're going to start off with using some sason. We're gonna put that in. We're also going to use a little bit of adobo, just a little bit. Then we're going to be using some seasoning, Total, also by Goya. This stuff is the bomb. It has every single ingredient you need in there. And then what I'm going to do is put a little oil in there so it will not stick. Just gonna stir that up a little. Bam. Gonna let that cook. Now, as for the collard greens, I have to go food shopping tomorrow. I don't have no meat to go on the greens today. Usually I put smoked turkey wings or whatever, but today I'm just going to use what I have until I go to the supermarket tomorrow. This is the bomb for your vegetables. I'm just going to sprinkle some of that on there. And let that cook. Now I only have 2 pallets, but I am going to show you what I do. Once the collard greens are done, that's what I'm going to take out and put it in a bowl and put it in the microwave. And then I'm going to fill this with oil and fry the chicken in here. Okay? Okay, so now that I done cleaned and cut the tips off of the chicken wings, now I'm going to season it. This is the season that I use for the rice. So we will not be using that one. We will be using this one. Some of this, my favorite. I put this on everything. I'm sorry. Sorry guys, don't judge me, but I put this on everything because it's a good season that has everything in it. A little bit of this. I don't need high blood pressure. And some pepper. Oh, God bless me. That damn pepper. Okay, so now you want to get your hands dirty. I usually use gloves, but ain't nobody got time for that. And I don't do measurements. Me, I'm kind of like a real chef, and real chefs always taste their own food. So what I like to do is, after I give the chicken and stuff a nice good mix, I like to taste it with my finger, taste the seasoning. If it's too salty, then I'll add water. If it's just right, I'll leave it as it is, and it is just right. Because you know, when you put seasoning on it and then add the flour is going to take most of the taste off of it anyway. So, but it's nice and seasoned. Let me taste it one more time. Yep, it tastes good to me. Alright, so while we wait for the collard greens to get done and the rice is almost done, you see it's looking nice and yellow. Let me wash off my hands. It's looking nice and yellow. Ain't nobody like no soggy rice, okay? And look at that. You don't even have to buy goya rice. You can make it. So, yep. So that's almost, all that is almost done. And then we're going to fry this chicken up. So while the collard greens is, you know, cooking, we could just let this sit and marinate a little bit. Let that sit. Then we'll be back. Okay, now that the oil is nice and hot, I'm ready to put the chicken on in. I got on a glove because I hate flour on my hands. So what we're going to do is just dip it on in. Just like that. Okay, so all 6 chicken wings are in. Okay, now the chicken is finally done. It's looking all crispy, so now I'm going to put it right on a plate. Okay, everyone, this is the finished result. No soggy rice over here. I'm about to put some hot sauce on this and eat. Thank you for watching. Bye.